Good morning guys! Happy New Year! 2025 na. So, Happy New Year to everybody. I pray and hope that we all have a prosperous and Happy New Year 2025. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. So, today I'm gonna open my gifts from a friend. She gave me this last Christmas, but I prefer to open today, New Year, first day of the 2025. I prefer it to open it today. So, let's see. This came from my friend, my beautiful friend. So, let's get the scissor. So, let's open this one. Very nice wrap. Oh. Down, settle down. That is nice. Shower steamer. Pang bathtub siya. Oil. Pag nag-bathtub ka, gagamitin mo sa bathtub. It's oil. Shower oil, I think. Yeah, shower steamer. Thank you. Very nice. So, ayan. And then we have this one. Very nice wrap. Ang galing niya mag-wrap. Beautifully wrap. This came from one of my very good friend. A beautiful friend, a kind friend. Very helpful to me. And her family also. They are very nice to me. Ito yung essential oil. Ayan. If you like to have a fragrance in your room, you use this one. Very nice. Thank you. And then we have this one. They said you should. Oh, essential oils. Very nice. Essential oils. Orange, eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, rosemary, and tea trees. Wow, I love it. Thank you very much. This you will put it here. Thank you. Very nice. And then we have oh, the salt. How do you call this one? How do you call this? The pink salt. I think you use this in the shower and the bathtub. Thank you. Very nice. And then we have this one. Bare Naked soap. Wow. Lavender and lace. Simple. Press. Bango. Ang ganda. Ang bango ng sabon. Very nice. And this one is rheumatic. Rheumatic. What is this? Alam niya she knows that I have a rheumatic finger, so she gave me this one. I think this is an ointment. Yeah, an ointment. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. Let's see how to open this. Pag sumakit yung mga daliri, if you have pains, I think in joints and walang amoy. Wala siyang amoy. No fragrance. So, rheumatic. What is this? Salve or salve? I don't know how to pronounce. So, thank you very much. Ayan, may pang bathtub na ako. Bathtub and oil, essential oil. Very nice. Thank you, thank you. So, these are my gifts from my beautiful best friend. I think so. Thank you, thank you. So, thank you, thank you. I'm happy for your gifts. I can use it in my bathtub and the scents, the oil. Thank you very much. So, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Happy New Year!